entrance to this one bedroom if it was, you know, just one bedroom by itself. But look at this. It's got a whole kitchen area for you to have if you get it as just a one bedroom. Full bathroom. Closet right here. This closet's got all the essentials that you need. Ironing board, iron, vacuum cleaner, all this. I don't see an ironing board, but anyway, you know what I mean. We got the kitchen area. When we came here in April, I thought this is the type of 2-bedroom we were gonna have because we had friends with us, and then they would have had their own space, but it was just a regular 2-bedroom condo. But this one can be separated from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom. And I like this one a little better, but you can't bring kids to this because you know they'll start a fire in the middle of the night while we sitting up here sleeping. So can't bring them to that. But this one is ours. Here's the bathroom area. And let me tell you, they make sure they take care of their guests. You have all the Dove products. That's the Dove. Here is a separate shower with all the Dove products, the good stuff. Then you have a jacuzzi over here. And then a separate bathroom, toilet area. So it's really nice. They set it up really nice for you. The bedroom, excuse the mess. We're not gonna go in there. Then you have the balcony out here. A nice sized balcony to go to just to sit and chill and relax. I don't know if they have alligators out there or not. We're not gonna find out. But that's it. A nice room. Everything's really nice here. All right, talk to you guys later.